Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to cover this question that was asked on the community about changing the order of various fields that appear when you are looking at the issue. Now, whenever you're working on Jira, and right now we're talking about server because this question has been asked for the server. Now, if you're working on a Jira server version or data center version, I should say, you have of course different fields, and of course when you're talking about an issue, apart from the system fields, you will have your custom fields and description, and then issue links, and maybe there are some panels that might appear using if you're using some apps like Elements, and of course you have attachments and subtasks and then comment, and this activity area will basically show you either comments or work log or basically other things. Now, this is a very common question that people ask: how can I change the appearance or the layout? Maybe you want to reshuffle different fields or different panels. Maybe you want to display your description on top, but you just want to display your subtask, or maybe you want to display these things in a specific order. Now, to do these things, first of all, there is no way in Jira to do it from the UI. I mean, there is no feature. However, there is a hack that is, of course, not really recommended. But if you search on Google or DuckDuckGo or Brave about velocity templates, so basically, when you're looking at an issue, when you're looking at the basically anything that you're looking at, it could be an issue or it could be any UI element. You have basically these templates that will display something on the UI, and basically it is nothing but a file that you can modify, and this file will have basically a template that basically decides how that particular view, for example view screen, will look like. And if you really want, you can actually modify a template. For example, if you look at the template where you're looking at the issue, you can definitely reorder, but as I mentioned before, it is not really recommended because if you modify something in Jira, although you can, I mean, if you have Jira on your own server, you can definitely, and I used to do it. In fact, I still do it because I'm a bit comfortable doing these things, as long as you know which file you have modified. And to be honest, if you modify something in Jira on server as well, when you start your Jira and when you go to your system info, you will see those list of modified files, and you'll get an idea. But as long as you are keeping a track of which file to modify, and whenever there is a new version of Jira, whenever you do an upgrade, those all templates will get overwritten, and you need to basically redo those changes manually. I mean, you can't really merge those old template with a new one, because the new template file will have some additional changes that are needed in the new version of Jira. But you can always remodify the template yourself, and of course, do it on a test environment. But again, only do it if you're super comfortable doing these things, because it is like doing some hacks. And if you don't really want to do these hacks in Jira, which is of course not really recommended, but sometimes we have to, and there is no other way. You can also try looking at some of the apps on the marketplace. I personally never really used this app called Issue Layout. So this app can let you do things like, as the name suggests, change the layout of your issue. And what I'm now hoping to do, these days I'm a bit occupied, but whenever I get time, whenever I get a chance, I do have a list by the way with me, like things I need to do for my YouTube channel. But I'm hoping to basically evaluate this app, and maybe I can do a quick search on marketplace. So I don't really see a lot of apps that can basically change the layout for you, but maybe this one can help. So do give it a try. Maybe it will work. As I mentioned before, I don't really have any personal experience. I never really used it myself, so I cannot really say that yes, this will work perfectly. But apart from doing those velocity file changes, this app is something that maybe you can you can try. Or maybe, just not do it, in my opinion, because changing the layout in Jira, it has been, people have been asking about it for a long time, but I don't really, I don't really see a lot of instances where people actually modify the template, or I'm talking about the velocity file. I think the order is, of course, I can understand, sometimes you want to display things in a specific order, but if it is too complicated, then I think it is better not to do it, because it is just an order of those fields. So that is what I thought I'll probably share with all of you today. Just to, I just wanted to share my views and talk about some possibilities when it comes to reordering of those fields. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.